You might like to try this problem. All you'll need a set of dominoes. The double 6 set is what you'll need. Now I've just chosen 2 dominoes out of that set. You'll notice one of them, the total is 6, and the other side the total is 4. But altogether the total number of dots would be 10. Here's a little problem for you. There are 30 other different solutions that you can get where the total of 2 dominoes is 10. That'll keep you busy for a little while. But if that's a bit too easy for you, there's another puzzle here for you as well. I'm just joining this one here, so I've got 10 dots and I've got 4 dots. All together, I've got 14 dots. There are also 30 other different ways that you can combine 2 dominoes to get a total of 14. Once again, I think you're going to need to be systematic in the way that you search for these pairs of dominoes.